Here we have my 1974 Honda CB750 K4. I've just got it and I may restore it myself, but I thought I'll give someone the chance to buy it as it is before I start. Very original, very good chrome in the wheels, discs, everything good. Original Honda exhaust. Very early carb setup. Look at this, turn the hand, look at that. I love that bit. Original airbox. It's got the Honda stamps on the genuine exhaust, the original exhaust, which are in excellent condition. These side panels I think have been replaced. I have got the badges for them. They're not in the boat here, but I have got the badges. It's got a good tire on the, well, lots of tread on the tire on the back, but I'd replace that. It's a cheap make. Oh, the indicators look very new. I don't know if they've been replaced, but they're correct. Maybe just the backs have been replaced because this looks a bit worn. I mean, jobs to make it an absolute minter. It's really just polish the rocker cover, polish these side covers maybe. The forks have been painted, I'd have them polished. And of course the paintwork. The tank's in very good condition, if I can open it. No wear inside at all. And it's half full of petrol, which is probably worth £1,000 by the time you buy it, the way petrol's going up. It's got the key on here. I think it's supposed to be down on the side down here, but it's been moved up here. 45,000 showing on the clock. Let's start it up. Very cold at the minute. There's no cam chain noise. Sounds lovely actually. It's cold at the minute, it can go below. Oh. And there you go. What a fantastic machine for someone to fix up.